It's snowing in Texas, guys. Texas doesn't snow every day, but the last time it snows is 2017, and then now 2021. See, guys, see the snow. The plants here. See, I cover my plants, flowers. Look at this. We are now on 20 degrees. I mean, last night it was 20 degrees. This morning is 15 degrees. Here's my car, guys, the windshield. Here's our driveway. See my feet. It's our street. Yard! Oh my gosh! I slide, see? Slide on ice, so be careful, guys, see? The stick is like a ½ inch. This is our trampoline. Look, ice. It's getting red. My hands are getting red. This is our fishes. Hi, fishes. It's a power outage, guys, but we have a generator, and the generator is kicking. So this is the one we cover. That's getting froze. I forgot to cover last night. See? Plants froze, guys. See, it's froze, guys. Our fishes is underneath. The plants that I covered. This is the aloe vera. Aloe vera. Some plants here I covered. And this is the ramp in our shed. See? That's the plant we covered, guys. This one we cover is lemongrass or tanglad. That's lemongrass and tanglad I covered. This is the orange, navel orange that I covered. This is the lemon. And see, that one already dying. It's all froze. This was here. This was our avocado. I hope they will survive. They serve as a weight. That's our sweet potato. So guys, our window inside has ice. See, the window has ice. I see window. This is the inside of the house, but our heater is on. This was my calamondin or limoncito. See, I double it. I'm glad that I double. Otherwise, the fruits will froze. This was my table, guys. Freezing, calling here. Another table, and chairs. So, the sun is shining. So now we open the top of the fish pan so that they can have sun in it, so that they get warm up. And so the ice is melting now because of the sunlight. Ice is melting in the tiles. See, guys, the ice are melting. This one here. And here too. See, if I walk in it, it will smash. Smash the ice. I'm glad they melt already. See, this one, it fall off because it melts. But from here, it melts. Some in here. There's a lot here. In my shed. Icicles, look. Woohoo! See that one? Oh! See, they're melting. So, ice is melting, guys. See? That one. There's ice in the roof. Melting ice. Staying melting ice since the sun. Since the sunshine. Now it's 3 o'clock and the ice is still melting.